Introducing PicoTorch, the world's brightest mini-Cree flashlight. Smaller than an inch and a half, it packs a powerful diode capable of projecting over 215 lumens to illuminate your path. It's built for adventure, ready to tackle any problem where you need light in a pinch. With a magnetic back, it sticks anywhere, lighting up the entire space while you get to work. Clip it to your keys, drop it in your pocket, or attach it to your bag. With a simple twist, switch between two modes. Daily mode, shining for over 2.5 hours, or Super Beam, delivering 15 minutes of intense, focused light. And when it's time to recharge, the USB-C port makes it simple. Just plug it into your laptop, phone, or power bank. Tough, compact, and weather-resistant, PicoTorch is the brightest, most functional everyday carry you'll ever own. Whether it's for quick fixes or venturing into the unknown, carry the power of 215 lumens in the palm of your hand with PicoTorch.